How to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app and make sure that you sign into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner. From your profile feed, you need to simply tap on edit profile and now you will see the pronouns section. Tap on it. I already have some of the pronouns. If you want to delete the current one, you can tap on the cross button. And first, you need to choose your language to add your pronouns. Once you have chosen, you need to add your pronouns. And now you need to tap on the tick mark at top right, but before that, you can easily enable show to followers only. Only people who follow you will see your pronouns, or they won't be able to see. So tap on the tick mark at top right once you are done, and you can see that we have successfully added pronouns to our Instagram profile. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.